Hi everyone. This topic is photoelectric effect. It is the emission of electrons from the surface of metal when exposed to electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation, example light. So when light falls on a metallic surface and it is of suitable frequency, then electrons can come out. Okay. Now for every metal surface, there is limiting frequency below which no photoelectrons are produced. So let us assume the energy of the radiation is E, and we know energy can be represented as H mu, and that is also equals to Sc by lambda. Now a frequency for which photoelectrons doesn't come out, we are representing by mu naught, and corresponding wavelength we are representing by lambda naught. So this mu naught is known as threshold frequency, and this lambda naught is known as threshold wavelength. Okay, also known as cutoff wavelength. Next is work function. Work function is the minimum energy required for electrons to come out. Okay, so that energy h mu naught, if energy is just equal to h mu naught, the electrons will come out with zero velocity. So this is also the work function of the metal. Okay. Formula of work function h mu naught I can also write as Sc by lambda naught. The product of h into c, Planck's constant, and speed of light is 12,400 divided by lambda naught in electron volts. Okay. In this one, you have to substitute the value of lambda naught in angstrom. If you want to substitute the value of lambda naught in nanometer, so you have to use this formula. In this one, you have to substitute the value in nanometer. Okay. Now there are few terms which you have already studied, that photoelectric current is independent of frequency and energy of incident light. So next topic is stopping potential. So let's say electrons are falling on a surface, okay, and we have connected the whole system to a battery, okay, of voltage V. So electron will come out. Now as you can see here, from the orientation of battery, this will be positively charged and this side will be negatively charged. Means electric field will be in this direction. Now let's say electron came out with a certain velocity V. As electron is moving in this direction, force on electron will also be in this direction. So electron will keep on moving in this direction. But if we change the polarity of battery like this, so when the electron now comes out, this is actually your positively charged plate, this is negatively charged plate, electric field is in this direction, electron tries to move in this direction with velocity v, electric field is in this direction, so force on electron will be in this direction, opposite to direction of motion of electron. So in this case, slowly the velocity will decrease, and for a certain voltage, the electrons won't be able to reach the other plate. Now this potential is known as stopping potential. So let's say the energy of electron which came out was half mv square, that was the kinetic energy. If that energy gets consumed in potential energy, so that formula is charge of electron, okay, into stopping potential. So from this equation, we will be able to find stopping potential. Thank you.